The price of XRP has gone up and down 4 times in the last 2 weeks. Price glitched more than once and at different prices. For example, on Bybit, it went up to over $34,000, and we'll show you the video soon. After that, the price went up to over $7,300. The price then went up and down again, this time at about $43,052 on crypto.com. Then, of course, its price went up and down again, this time all the way to $9,800 from PS5 2.3. Not even 53 cents, but about 52 cents and a half. What does this mean now? As the world grows and small, buyers aren't allowed to buy XRP as much as they used to. There are more bugs, and the price of XRP keeps going up. We'll show you all of these movies and talk more about them. But before we do that, we need to let everyone know about our huge XRP offer. There is a giveaway going on, and all you have to do to enter is click the like button, subscribe to the channel, and share this video. After you do that, you'll be put into the huge XRP giveaway. You should definitely do it because it only takes 5 minutes and gives you free money. This is especially important since we are about to start the altcoin build one. Now that everything is clear, let's watch the movie. First, we need to show you these 2 crazy videos. The first video of the XRP price going up to over $34,000 on Bybit. The next one was the price of XRP going up to over $9,800. Let's play the clips. As you can see, the big bugs you see in real life are what's happening. There have been many reports that prove that financial institutions have been manipulating the XRP market on a large scale. In fact, the article itself says that XRP has solidified its place as a favorite digital asset among investors around the world. However, new reports and data analysis point to a worrying trend: institutional investors are manipulating the market for XRP. And of course, that article goes into more depth about how this is happening and the different steps these banks are taking to do it. However, this is a brand new piece. It was just put up 3 days ago and is about manipulating the market. When we think about this, we also need to know that Ripple's co-founder talked about a high value for XRP of about $10,000 per XRP. In a bold statement in the article, it again talks about how Ripple Labs co-founder Arthur Brito recently said that XRP is designed for $1,000 and must be able to expand to accommodate 7.5 billion people. This is an ambitious vision that highlights the potential of Accept-It to change the way global financial transactions are done and cause big changes in the economy. Besides all of this, we've also heard that the biggest bank in the US, the largest government bank in the US, the Bank of America, has announced that it will work with Ripple to make XRP payments possible. It looks like this is going to happen. Of course, we don't know how big it is. Will XRP be used to make all payments? However, we are aware that it is taking place. And of course, that's on top of Rosie Rios. The director was she's on every single dollar bill. Check out what she says about XRP. I joined the board of Ripple because XRP does something useful. It makes it easier to send money across borders. It's not some kind of store of value or random value that isn't tied to anything. That's why I joined the Ripple board. This is a change in subject, but I'm still going to stick with the Federal Reserve idea because the Federal Reserve is going to use XRP. It's true that Congress wants to get rid of the Federal Reserve, but they need to find something else to do in its place. It also can't be regular fiat money, since getting rid of the Federal Reserve would mean getting rid of fiat money. Something else must be there. Yes, it is crypto. It will be Ripple as well as coins. It has been said that XRP is the only ISO 222 coin. Besides that, the Treasury and the CFTC both agreed that XRP is the best token for cross-border hoons. Once the SEC settled, XRP would fall apart in the SEC. Another important thing is that one of the CEOs of a major financial firm recently said that the XRP leader will help $30 to $50 trillion by 2025. That's a huge number, but it has to be made possible by a decentralized finance token, or DeFi token. The Accept Ledger is the name of a CTF token, and many analysts and experts think it will skyrocket from 97 cents to $374.25 5 token much sooner than we think, all the way up to $1,479 in the long term with a market capitalization of about $40 billion. Again, this means that the only giveaway token on the Accept Ledger will include a millionaire. The price will only go from 97 cents to $374.45, but in fact, it could help $30 to $50 trillion. $10 billion isn't much, and now we're talking about $100 billion, which would make each CTF worth more than $2,000. But we don't want to think about the long term, we want to think about the short term. Even $374 in the short term is unimaginable money, and it's making generations of money that can go down in history. And it's so easy to do because they aren't listed on centralized exchanges yet. It keeps going up even though there isn't a mass marketing effort. That's right, the charts are killing it. This token is already worth $1.77, though it only has about 2,700 owners. This is a small number compared to XRP, which has 7 million owners, but XRP can't even go above 50 cents. It's crazy, but it's the truth. On top of that, there are very strong support levels and not much resistance. This showed once more that any rise could take this token to hundreds or even thousands of dollars. We forget that they're not listed on centralized markets and that there are very few of them even when we say this. It looks like they only have 120 million coins. One example is X-Ray, which is around 100 billion. There isn't enough supply to go around since there are only 100 million, so any change in supply would send the value through the roof. Furthermore, it has already grown by 200 to 3,000% in the past 2 weeks. It may not want to be listed on centralized platforms, or they may decide to go after a large market. It's likely to go up by 2, 3, or 4 times that amount, which means it will rise by about 1,000,000%. This may seem impossible, but if you look at the charts, it's possible, and tokens have gone up by 1,000 times quickly when their prices drop by the same amount. In fact, this is the reason why I have been slowly gathering. Since CTF is only worth $1.70 now, I really think that its value could go up by 1,000 times, which would bring it to over $1,700 per token in the next currency. What does this mean for me? Well, I'm slowly becoming more human as much as I can because I don't want to miss this great chance. In particular, because this makes me think of Bitcoin when it was worth $1 each. A lot of people didn't know that it wasn't on any markets. People were just learning about it, so there weren't many users. Once people found out they were on swaps, it was very cheap right away. The price went from $1 to $60,000 in an instant, and many people became multimillionaires and left their wealth to future generations. So this is what I'm looking at. I want to get in on this early so I can live as much as I can. That's why I'm here. I'm trying to buy as much as I can in case a bull run happens, and I think they have a big news coming on June 5th. I hope to be able to find them on Twitter. Yes, they are said to be making an announcement on June 5th, which will probably cause the price to go up again. I'm trying to get as much done as I can before that date. Once that date has passed, we hope to keep seeing those vertical breakout trends. Then this bull run happens, and now we're hoping that each CTF ticket will be worth more than $1,000. You should always do your own study before investing, because at the end of the day, you should only put in as much as you can afford to lose. Things change so quickly in the crypto market that you can't tell what will happen. Describe it on ctftoken.com, the Polygon chain, and the XP record. I'll also add a bullet point so you can look into it too. And finally, they actually make passive income. And of course, the more CTF tokens you own, the more passive income you make. So not only is its value going up every day, every minute, and you can see that in real time, you can see a wallet. Getting more and more CTF tokens because they have a passive income system that gives 1% of every sell transaction back to holders. That means you're always making passive cash. I'm going to end the video right now, guys. I hope you guys liked it. Please don't forget to like, follow, and share this video. This will help me with all of my social media issues. Everything you need to know about your Twitter, Instagram, and Rumble accounts will be linked below in the description for your ease. There you have it. Click the like button, subscribe, and watch this movie. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.